Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a numbered list in your calendar on Workflowy. So let us begin. Start by navigating to your node inside your Workflowy account, and then guys click into a new line here below the title to start a new command and enter the command / and then from that list of suggested actions, look for a number. You may also type in the first letters and then select the given action, and then it's going to enter the first item of the numbered list. So fill in the content here, ABC, then skip to the next line to continue with point number 2, and so on and so forth. How can you indent? Well, to do that, press tab on your keyboard, and that is going to create a sub point here in your numbered list, which is now 3.1, and you can do this with the next point as well. And let me just enter some content here, and then skip to the next line. You can indent even more by pressing tab to create point 311, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.